My name is Palesa Moshidi. I am the Marketing Communication Specialist for SYSPRO EMEA. So SYSPRO is a leading global enterprise resource planning software company providing industry-built enterprise solutions and specialized services for industries in manufacturing and distribution. Our first experience with Electra Mining was in 2018, and that was the first time we exhibited. We had a lot of people come to our stand, we had a lot of people interact, and we got so many connections from that participation. We were meant to exhibit in 2020, but we all know what happened. And for this year, we decided to do things a little bit different. We have decided to not have an exhibitor stand, but to sponsor the Exhibitors Lounge. You can come meet us at the Exhibitors Lounge as we are the sponsor for the lounge. This can be a space to network, make connections, recharge, have a coffee, and just enjoy yourself and have fun on SYSPRO, on us at the Exhibitors Lounge. Should you need more information on SYSPRO, please visit our website on www.syspro.com. You can call us on 011 461 1000. And you can also check our social media platforms. On LinkedIn, we are SYSPROEMEA, and on Twitter, we are SYSPRO_.